Let's do these 5 examples of writing a decimal number in expanded form. This means we're going to write what each digit in the number actually represents, and then add those quantities together. Now, as a quick review on place value, if you need it, this little chart here tells you the place values. To the left of the decimal point, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and to the right of the decimal point, we have tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and so on. We could go on infinitely in either direction. Let's begin with problem 1, 0.308. How many wholes or ones do we have? The answer is 0, so we don't have to write that at all. But moving to the right of the decimal point, we have a 3, and that's the first place to the right of the decimal point. So that's how many tenths we have. We have 3 tenths, so we would write that as 3 over 10. Now, the next digit is a 0, so we don't have to worry about that. That's in the hundredths place. But the last digit is an 8 in the thousandths place. So the last thing we have to write is plus 8 over 1000. Next, in problem 2, we have a 5 in the ones place. So we'll begin by writing that 5. Then we move on to the next digit, which is to the right of the decimal point. The place value there is tenths. So we have exactly 1/10. So we'll write plus 1 over 10. The next digit is a 2, and that's in the hundredths place. So we would write plus 2 over 100. And that's it. Again, in each case, we're writing the number as a sum of what its digits actually represent. This 8 actually represents 8 1,000ths. This 1 actually represents 1/10. Let's move on then to problem 3. 73.4 has a 7 in the tens place, so that's actually representing 70. The next digit, 3, is in the ones place. That's actually representing 3, so plus 3. And then we move to the right of the decimal point, this digit of 4, that's representing 4 tenths. So we write plus 4 over 10. Next is example 4, 0.0459. We have nothing in the ones place, we've got nothing in the tenths place, so we're starting here. That's 2 places to the right of the decimal point, which is in the hundredths place. So this is 4 over 100. The next digit is 5, that's in the thousandths place, so this is representing 5 thousandths. The next digit is 9, and that's at a place value that I didn't put in this little chart, but it's easy to go further if we need to. The next place value would just be 10 thousandths. It looks just like thousandths, but with another 0. So this 9 is not representing 9 thousandths, it is representing 9 10,000ths. So 9 over 10,000. And if we had more digits in further decimal places, we could just keep adding zeros to the denominator as needed. Finally, problem 5, 213.001. We have a 2 in the hundredths place, so that's representing 200. We have a 1 in the tens place, so that's just representing 10. We have a 3 in the ones place, so that's just representing 3. Then, moving to the right of the decimal point, we have 0 tenths, 0 hundredths, and finally, 1 thousandth. So we write plus 1 over 1000. So those are just a few examples of writing decimals in expanded form. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.
Stressed out, sweetie, I'm stressed out. Sounds like you've been stressed out. Tell me what you're stressed about. Stressed out, honey, I've been stressed out lately. Don't know what's what, don't know what I'm stressed about. Stressed out, sweetie, I'm stressed out. Sounds like you've been stressed out. Tell me what you're stressed about.